Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it would seem that Microsoft Edge will have a new look coming forward in the future. It will align more with what Copilot looks like. If you've used Copilot or looked at Copilot, the way it's designed, you've noticed, how it's rounded corners and the way it looks smooth and just, looks kind of cleaned. Well, that's the look they are going for with Microsoft Edge. The question here is that change, will it impact the adoption of Microsoft Edge? It is slowly gaining in usage, but it's so far from Google Chrome, anyways. It doesn't really matter much. But maybe people having something that looks more like Copilot can maybe push away or scare away some people. It'll be interesting to see what happens with that. If you would like to see it with its new looks, there is a little gear icon on the Bing page. That is the start page of Edge. On that gear icon, you do have a switch to turn it on or off. So I turned it on, but when it's not used, there's it doesn't tell you here that you have the possibility to have the new page. So if you click the gear icon, you'll see that you can turn on the new look. This apparently will be a default at some point. So if you are using Edge, that will eventually be the default, and you won't be able to go back after a certain time. But it's still probably a few weeks to maybe a couple of months away. But it is coming, and this is something that Microsoft thinks will improve the Microsoft Edge browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.